Alright, here we are. I'm going to use a little adhesion promoter, or what I like to call sandpaper in a can. With us not taking the parts off and taping stuff up, I like to go over it with a little bit of this. Gives me a little bit of comfort that all the edges and stuff where maybe you can't get this really good, this will help it stick. But just realize before I do that, I noticed my tape trying to curl up on the corners of this taillight panel. So I'm going to fix that real quick. Alright, now for a little promote. Another thing I like about this, do it over the whole panel like that, it'll act as a wet bed too. It'll let that base coat not stand, it'll let it kind of melt in and not be some coarse, I guess you'd say, or dry where you flip it out. What it'll also do is it's just it's a coating that'll also help take care of maybe if you had a little coarser sand scratch or something, it'll also help fill that stuff up as well. It's another layer, help kind of smooth things out if you know how to spray it on there. Now, somebody can take that stuff and you can make a real mess with it. If you run it or something, it'll show all the way through, and I've had no luck sanding it out. So you got to be careful. You got to spray it on there lightly. Um, Now, I'm going to go ahead and pause for the video, go mix up some paint. Alrighty, here we are. We're going to tack it off and put our first coat of base on. Alright, there's one coat of base. It's covered real well. RM base coat, so it's not the cheap stuff. Alrighty, we added base. We're going to tack it off. We're going to throw some clear on it. Alrighty. First coat of clear on there. Let it sit a minute. Alrighty. Here's the final result on the Dodge Challenger in the booth. It is painted. 3 coats of hand rub lacquer. She'll be ready to untape, send it home. Put the red line sticker back on the other side.